So welcome to episode 2 of The Buzz at Leighland Christian School. I'm Natasha McKinnon, the Executive Principal, and I'm so delighted to see you all again. This episode, we're actually going to be looking at all the developments at the Ulverstone Campus that happened over the summer. And we're really excited because these are going to be things that are going to benefit our students immensely and improve student outcomes. Well, one of the first spaces I'm keen to introduce you to today is the Wellbeing Space. And the Wellbeing Space is a great opportunity for our students to gather and to get support, whether it's just for a moment or a bit of a longer time, where some of our staff, our counsellors and future social workers with our head of secondary can work together very closely with our learning support and really give our students the greatest opportunity to have a really healthy outlook and to really get them back into the classroom and learning and achieving their best. Another space in the school which we're really keen to show you today is our new toilet block for the high school students. Thirdly, another space that is just looking fabulous and has been driven by our students is our new high school playground, which should get a lot of fabulous use. And our library is just looking better and better all the time. It's just amazing. This mural is getting bigger and more beautiful. Hey, come with me. Let's go and have a look. We have had so much transformation in our library. Come with me and we'll have a look.
Hi, Mrs. McKinnon. Welcome to our library. The amazing new space.
It's just
redeveloped.
Beautiful. Let's have a look at this beautiful mural and how it's developed and changed. You know, this particular area where the mural is an area where the younger children get to be inspired and their curiosity fostered as their imaginations can run wild. We're really excited that the library's being used in multiple ways. At recess and lunchtime, students come in and they're doing Lego and they are looking at books together and they're collaborating and they're playing chess together and they're using the library in so many different ways. So I'm entering in a brand new purpose-built wellbeing space here at the school. This is for predominantly secondary students, and Mrs. Bettina Townsend, our head of secondary, leads this particular area in the school. In this area of our school, we have various staff that inhabit this space and make it a welcoming space for our students. So we have our school counsellors, we have our school chaplain, we have a couple of learning support aides that are geared towards wellbeing. And we have a learning support teacher that's got a wellbeing focus as well. So the team's really been built and it's just a perfect place for students to come during the day if they need a few minutes. I'm just going to go and see if Mrs. Townsend, our head of secondary, is in her office and we'll have a little chat with her about that. Oh, here she is! So I'm sitting here with our head of secondary, Mrs. Bettina Townsend, and Bettina had this vision for our wellbeing space here at the school. So just wanted to ask you, what is the purpose of this space?
So the purpose is that we can have a space for students to have some time if they need to regulate, if they need to feel like they're overwhelmed, they've got anxiety, and they've got a space that's safe where they can come just for maybe a short amount of time until we work out what's going on, and we can assist them, we can help them, we can triage, we can work out what their needs are and what's going on for them in their world.
Well, I'm here in the primary of the Ulverstone Campus with Erin, one of our co-heads of primary. So hi Erin.
Hi Natasha.
This is a great initiative. Can you tell us a little bit about the well?
Absolutely, let's go in and I'll show you around.
Awesome.
We noticed a need in a lot of our primary kids that they needed regulation breaks. So it was students who might have neurodiverse needs or even a trauma background or any other kind of break space that they needed. And to bring something that was right here and just had tools in it that were OT suggested for regulation, taking a time to have a mental break, take space and a chance to reset before they have to re-enter the classroom.
Where did you get the name The Well?
Well, from the idea of well-being, but also the biblical notion of coming to the well, coming to the living water, taking a moment to find that grounding space with Jesus. We have visual sensory options as well as fidgets, puzzles, musical tool as well. And it's provided a real great break space for a lot of our primary kids who just need that extra little option before they head into a noisy classroom or before they go out of a noisy classroom, whatever it happens to be.
All right, so if you're a past Leighland student, you would see that our upgrade to our toilet block was a necessary and important addition to our school. So let's take a look. We have an open hallway all day long where we have brand new toilets with floor to ceiling doors, mirrors. We are really pleased with the upgrade this year. So this is our new mural that's in the walkway for the secondary entrance to the school. And she was an ex-student and then was on staff last year in an admin support role in the primary school, Lambert. She painted this beautiful picture depicting Christ's resurrection. So let's go check out our new secondary playground. So I'm standing here at our secondary school playground, and you might be asking, why do you have a secondary school playground? Do secondary students really want to climb a climbing frame? Yes, they do, and they asked for it. This is something that they have been asking for many years, and we finally were able to make it happen. Well, isn't it amazing how God provides in incredible ways, and our school is developing and just looking beautiful with the resources, all to support the students in their learning and their feeling of comfortableness and well-being here at the school. So we're so thankful to our God for His provision. The spaces are really adding to the environment of our school, of really building that hope-filled Christian community, pioneering personalised learning for all children. Stay tuned for a couple of episodes' time. We're going to go to the Ulverstone Campus and we're going to see what's been going on there. But we had to wait a couple of months because their build is even bigger than here. See you next month.
What are you guys doing at the moment?
We're playing follow the leader on a little brain break.
A brain break?